together. We are MPU2332 Green Future Malaysia student. We are Group 9. Today we wanted to present our Green Malaysia project. The Green Malaysia project, we will face many challenges. The first challenge is implementation of policy and regulation. This challenge is Malaysia has put in place relevant of policy and regulation to promote the development of alternative energy, but still face many challenges in the actual implementation and enforcement process. On the one hand, uncertainty and frequent change in policy may affect investor confidence and hinder the continuous promotion of projects. On the other hand, the lack of coordination and cooperation between different levels of government and sector has also led to inefficient policy implementation and diffusion in the smooth promotion of alternate energy projects. The second challenge is insufficient technical and financial resources. The development of alternative energy resources requires advanced technology and significant financial investment. Malaysia has invested relatively little in technological research and development and innovation and lacks advanced renewable energy technology. In addition, the high initial investment costs and alternative energy project limit source of funding and poor access to financing have also become prone to development. Small and medium-sized enterprises and individual innovate in alternative energy projects face a difficult and high cost of financing, which limits to popularization of and application of alternative energy sources. The third challenge is public awareness and acceptance. Public awareness and acceptance of alternative energy sources still need to be improved. Many people lack understanding and even have misconception about the economy's reliability and environment's benefit of alternative energy sources. Due to the popularity and dependence on traditional energy sources in Malaysia, there is some resistance to the use of promotion of alternative energy source. In between population, education, and public city effort have provided the advantages of alternative energy from being recognizing and accepted. In fact, is marketing and application. Next, the challenge is infrastructure development. The spare of an alternative energy source requires corresponding infrastructure support, such as great rehabilitation and the development of energy-strong technology. Exciting grid integration may not be able to effectively integrate and manage large-scale renewable energy sources, limited their development and application. Especially in remote and rural areas, poor grid connectivity and stability affect the implementation and operation of alternative energy projects. In addition, the lack of development of energy source technology constrains the stable supply and widespread application of renewable energy. The last challenge is environment and land use conflicts. The development of alternative energy projects may face conflicts with excited land use and environment protection. For example, the construction of solar power plants and wind farms requires large amounts of land, which may compete with actually forests and other land use. While hand power is a clean energy source, the construction of large dams can lead to ecosystem direction and loss of biological habitat. The next is our group green project.
I'm from group 9. Our green project is Power Corporate's Intuitive Community Solar Power Cooperative Intuitive CSPCD. Our projects overview the communities, solar electricity corporates programs, gather funds and resource to collectivities, invest in construction of solar power generation facilities through the formations of communities corporates. Community corporates members can participate in the corporates through equity or donations and share in the renewable and environmental benefits of solar power generations. The cooperative will be responsible for the construction, operations and maintenance of the solar facilities to ensure the long-term sustainability of the programs. Here's our project's background. Objective project implementations. Malaysia has abundant resources in oil and gas sections. The development of alternative energy sources is imperative of energy diversifications and sustainable development. Solar energy is one of the alternative energy sources with great potentials in Malaysia. But the high initial investment, lack of public awareness are the main barriers to its popularizations. The project aims to reduce dependence on fossil fuel and transform to mix by increasing solar powers used in the communities. Using cooperative models is low cost and financing, enable wider extensions educations, enhance public awareness and acceptance of alternative energy. The additions of the project will create green jobs, promote economies and growth, protect environments, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and support sustainable developments, achieve economies to Malaysia. Our project will be implemented in areas with high quality of high electric consumptions, high rates, reducing dependence on fossil fuel and promoting the transformations of the energy mix, reducing the costs and the difficulty of financing solar projects through collaborative models so that more people can participate and benefits for our projects will be inspired the youngest generations, creative and knowledge to create innovative way to help Malaysia's to greenery nations. Project sources and funding technical locations, solar panels right here. Here's our project's cost. We got equipments, procurements, constructions and installations, operations and maintenance, education and awareness, overheads also. Items using PV panels, inverter, energy storage system, construction installations, daily operations, maintenance costs, more communities, mobilizations and education activity costs, management costs of the cooperative at projected costs. Here's the cost of the years and the prices right here. Risk of the projects is insufficient funds and financing difficulties and technical security issues. The issues is project startups require significant fundings, including equipments, construction operations. If the inefficient funds cannot be mobilized or faced with unstable sources of financing, the progress of the project may be seriously affected. Problem with the qualities of failures of solar panels, power technologies, equipments may lead to delays in the projects. Construction or operational inefficiency, the complexity and novelties of the technologies may require additional technical supports and trainings, as well as increased maintenance and replacement costs for the projects. Thank you. Here's my presentation.